I don't even need a finger over here. Yo, can you even I don't need a fingernail. You can even feel it with your. Can you see that? Worse for work. Okay, water is to be expected because we just removed the cylinder head. So this water is from the cylinder head. What's really surprising is this carbon buildup over here, which means it was a chain smoker. It was a chain smoker. The oil was coming up here and getting bent and goes back to the exhaust, which is blue smoke. There's differences. There's blue smoke, there's white smoke, and there's also black smoke. Black smoke is usually fuel. Your car is burning fuel. White smoke, it's usually coolant. Your car is burning coolant. It's not so nice here. We're gonna clean over here. Oh, it's blocked. We're gonna clean over here. Yeah, we're gonna crack on. Right now we're just going to the bottom end and find out what really is happening. Oh, I forgot. They already, remember I said I was working on the car that was previously molested, to say the least. The previous guy actually found, I don't know if you can see. Let me take it to the sun. Scoring over there. And you see that it's not really nice. Focus. Huh? So it's not really great news over here. Yeah, there's focus. Can you see that's the worst one, which is this one over here. Do you see that line over there? If I put my finger, I can actually feel that line. You can even hear the sound. So that's bad news. So right now I'm going underneath and finding out what's happening with the crankshaft. If the crankshaft mains are good, then yeah, it's good news. If the crankshaft mains are scarred unevenly, it means our crankshaft is the culprit, is the one that's doing all of this. But anyways, the car needed new piston rings. Yeah. Alright, another interesting fact, if you didn't know how to test whether you need rings or not. If your piston when you shake it like this, needs to be steady. Check this one out. Do you see? It's moving. That's number 4. Number 1. Can you see that? It means all the oil is rushing through here. It's getting in the combustion chamber and getting burnt. This is how you get smoke. It doesn't need to move. Like this one has excessive movement. I'll show you where after we finished assembling the entire block. It shouldn't move like this. What we found over here, if you can see, there's uniform. There's a ring for number 4. This is number 4. There's a ring for number 4, number 3, number 2. But check here. Huh? It teared over here. You see? Meaning that the pressure from here was bypassing here. And remember, when the car is idling, I believe number 1 and number 2 are symmetrical, and number 1 and number 1 and number 4 are symmetrical. 2 and 3 are symmetrical. So 2 and 1 were sharing the same exhaust gases, which means the performance was weird. So yeah, I hope you learned something too. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we're done taking out the pistons. All that's left is a crank. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, these are the piston rings over here. Yeah. As you can see, there's oil deposits over here. This is what we call carbon. The cam is out. Yeah, it's a naked naked engine. So good news, the crankshaft is not that bad. It does have scuffings, but it's not fingernail. You cannot feel them with your fingernail. Because now what I mean is, let's say here, because the crank is like this, you just run your finger. Check this one out. Check this one out over here. Oh, okay, I don't know if you can see. Check. I don't even need a finger over here. Yo, can you even I don't need a fingernail. You can even feel it with your. Can you see that? Worse for wear. Can you see that? It was nearly welded to the big end, which is the crankshaft. So we're just changing this. These are the bearings. Luckily enough, the crankshaft is not. It has no scuffings. So hey, we're good to go. We're just gonna fit everything. We're just gonna buy parts right now and catch you on another video. Thanks, guys.